My name is Beth Long, and I live in Farmington. My next door neighbor was having their roof done and the siding done, and I was very impressed with what they did. I didn't feel rushed. I didn't feel he was rushing me into making a decision. He gave me all the information that I needed. He answered all of my questions, and he was really thorough. When it came time to have the homeowners insurance come in, and it was not going to be what we hoped, he went to bat for me, and he made that happen and made a significant difference in what the insurance company was willing to pay. He contacted me probably in the fall, and I was not very keen on having them do it through the winter, even though they assured me that they, side houses all the time in the winter. He said, we can wait, we'll do it in your time period. And so when I called in probably this spring, he was ready to go. Very impressed. They were here right at 7 a.m. and I didn't have to wait for them. The first day they were here, they did the roof. And they did it in one day, and they did a beautiful job. And they even put in new trim. They put in new downspouts for me. They swept off my deck. Anything that they thought nails would be, they completely picked that up. So very safe to walk, especially when I have grandchildren. So they did a great cleanup, very professional. They even took down and painted my shutters black for me. They put new molding around the windows. It was more than the typical. Like, they really secured everything. I was really impressed with the time that they took. And the project manager was here. He answered all my questions. He didn't just tell me, oh, there's mold, on your roof. He actually showed pictures and different angles of it to make me feel very comfortable that what he suggested for new plywood was in fact true. My husband died 3 years ago, and this was a brand new experience for me. And so I didn't know a thing about home care. Jeff always handled that. I'm a newbie here. I've never done anything like this. I feel a little overwhelmed here, Ryan. And Ryan said, we'll do this together. And so he explained everything to me. I felt I was in really good hands. I think there's a lot of single moms. I think there's widows. I think there's just single people in general. I didn't want to feel like I was being taken advantage of because I was single or didn't have much experience, and they didn't make me feel stupid. I felt I could talk to Ryan and ask him anything. I would definitely recommend Roofing Rochester. They were very professional, very kind. The workers did an outstanding job and actually went beyond even what I expected with the little things that really make a difference. And I highly recommend Roofing Rochester.